Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? I hope very well. We're gonna be doing another cast iron cooking, not cast iron cooking, canteen cup cooking. And I'm gonna do some fish tacos. Just having some hot chocolate. I just wrapped up a video, which will be on the end card. So if you missed it, I just some a little bit of YouTube advice. But I need to get cooking because I'm already like crazy late. It's already like way past lunchtime. So all right, let's get today's hardware. I'm cooking on the Trangia set. This is a Trangia 25.5 or 25. Is it 25 or 25.5? I'll annotate it if it's whatever it is. Got that. Got the burner down here. Using a can of, I just bought this, so brand new can of fuel. If you're thinking, well, how's a canteen gonna fit awkwardly on there? Got you covered. Got that convenient little rack right there. Now, I know you're gonna ask, where did I get that? Asian market. Usually about $1.79 each. And that's a perfect fit. So I don't have to worry about my canteen like tipping off, because I'm gonna be putting hot oil, which I need to get going. So let me go grab my oil real quick. So all this is, it's just Kroger vegetable oil. So get this poured in. Now I don't have to fill this up. I think about maybe half. I don't know if you could see that, but maybe I'll do another camera close-up. Hang on. There we go. So of course I'm doing beer battered fish for my tacos. Here's my flour. And I've got a beer. It really angers me that I can't buy small beer. I had to go buy this big ass can for just a little bit of batter because I don't drink beer, so I'm actually going to throw the beer away. Sorry beer drinkers, I just don't like the taste of beer. Also, please don't tell the authorities that I have an open container. So I'm gonna mix this up. Now I actually have two of these containers, so I can add a little bit more flour if I need, or if I get too much beer I can add flour, but I'm gonna have to add a little bit more beer. Let me stir this off camera because I think you get the idea. So we got the Trangia set cutting board here. What I want to do is I want to halve my lemon real quick. There we go. The reason I want to cut this first is because I'm going to cut the fish last. And I didn't want to have fish over the knife when I go to cut the lemon. I did bring some paper towels for cleanup. I got my fish. This is just cod. I literally just bought this at the Fred Meyer, which is a Kroger store here in Washington. It's a Kroger store, but they also sell what? Oh, like clothing and a bunch of other stuff. So I want to cut. I don't want big pieces because I'm putting it inside of a taco. So, although I guess I could cook it and then just cut it in half. That might be what I do. There's like a spine or something I was cutting into, so let's cut around it. It's a half a pound of cod. Check on the batter. I think that batter consistency looks good. I feel like it's only a matter of time before I trip over this frickin' chain. Alright, let's start frying. Because I'm a clever person, I forgot to bring a temperature gauge. I'm just gonna have to guess. Just gonna have to guess and hope for the best. There's my fish. I just want to make sure I don't have please don't go over. Sweet. I honestly totally forgot about what's the word when you yeah, that's really hard to flip over. I might just show a couple of these on film and then just fry the rest off camera. I'm trying to flip this over, but it's being keeps wanting to tip back. There we go. By the way, I love beer battered fish. I don't know if I've ever shared that, but love it. I've gonna use this other screen here, as well as a couple paper towels to soak up the grease. I'm just worried about blowing away. I think the temperature, I think the heat's not too high, so. Where are we at time-wise? Oh, 2:22. Well, it's not terrible. I want to at least show the first one being cooked. I might just highlight the other ones. Now remember what I said about tongs. You don't want the channel, don't tilt back, because if it runs down that channel, you can get burnt pretty good, so. Alright, that's working really well. Dang. Alright, I think the second piece is done cooking. Now what I want to do is set that down. And I got my, where is it? I should just cook all the fish first, but pull that off for a moment because I want to put this pan on. The wind's picking up again. What it is, I took the tongs and I just dipped them in the oil, and then I just set it, I just dribbled it over the plants. I had just a little bit of oil in here, but I got a couple of shells I want to heat up, because if I cook all five pieces, I think the first couple will be cold by the time I get done with the I guess you couldn't see that, sorry. Well, there's the fish that I've cooked so far. Lower the camera down to the, there we go. So there's the fish. Now I got these 2 tortillas cooking up, or I don't really need to cook them, I just need to warm them up briefly. Like that. I've got my little pizza pan here. Pull these. Okay. Let's put the oil warm up a bit. Yeah, let's assemble. So I got a little bit of a little tartar sauce here. Okay, these fish are just way too big. Should have seen that coming. A little bit of cheddar cheese. Got a wedge of tomato. I got some lettuce. And these things are, I should have grabbed a little bit bigger shells, I think. So there's that. Alright. I don't know how well you can see those, but those are my fish tacos. And I think these shells are a little small, but here you go. Oh, I forgot the lemon. Yeah, first bite. Damn, that's good. Dude. That's money. There's piece number 3 cooking. Wow, these are hard to flip over. They keep wanting to turn up. There we go. Probably done. Alright, so all the fish is now cooked. I'm just warming up these 3 shells. This is the grease. I got some floaty bits in there, but that's alright. Once these are warmed, I'll kind of just keep moving. They don't have to be hot, I'm just warming them up. So, alright, went ahead and killed the stove. Get my second batch going. Man, I'm so pleased the way this worked. It's just tartar sauce from home. Could have made the fish a little smaller too, but that's alright. In my excitement, I forgot an ingredient. So I had a little Texas Pete hot sauce. Because no meal is complete. There we go. And then I got 1 tomato slice left over, but that is alright. Alright, cheers. Oh man. If only you guys were here to taste these. By the way, as I'm cleaning up, just wanted to say that, you know, don't throw your oil away after one use. You can reuse your oil. There's nothing wrong with it. So, just, you know, I don't need all the little floaty bits, but, you know, I'm only throwing that much away. So, very little. And see, the oil looks still pretty good. Alright, well, I'm just wrapping up, putting everything in the car. I have no complaints on those tacos. They were phenomenal. Really good. For something you can make at the park on the stove. Excuse me. Yeah, so thanks for watching. I'll try to throw some links down in the description. Other Canteen cut meals. Last time I was out here, it was soup, which is also really good. Came out well, but the tacos beat it. And I use lettuce on mine because I don't like cabbage. So I actually went and I bought a salad, a taco salad, and I had put the cheese and meat on the side, and then I just brought the lettuce out in these little food containers, which I bought on Amazon. They've been really phenomenal containers. I've been really happy with them. So anyway, I do thank you for watching. Any questions, comments, let me know in the description, or let me know in the comment section, and we'll catch you in the next one. Peace.